Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Southwest gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I want to do is head on over to southwest.com. So I've opened up a web browser, and now in here make sure to log in, and then from there you can search for flights, vacations, hotels and cars. Southwest gift card or promo codes work for all four of these. And now, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see a promo code here. So go ahead and put in that promo code, which essentially is a gift card. So add that in there, and then that whatever that amounts to, it will be taken off your next flight, vacation, holiday, or car. If you don't have this promo code, box like me, what you can do is go through and book everything, and then on the checkout page it will have a spot where you put your promo or gift card code, and then just add it in there before you make the purchase. And if you can't see that on the payment or the checkout page, just reach out to Southwest customer support and tell them you got a code and you need some help adding it into your order.